this server launched a few weeks ago, and it is half a year the duration, and it will be easier for players to go with such server. But for now, we decided to go one single seasonal server and add these ages limitations, which help us to involve all new players, even if they join during the season. They don't have to feel so problematic for guilds they will join. So they could skill up faster and don't and seasonal age system should balance everything, even for such newcomers.
Okay. And if you were to imagine Leaf in a year or two, where do you think it will be? What would you like to see in Leaf?
At the season 4.
Okay, we'll build spaceships. I mean regular ships. No, we don't have huge plans. We are focusing on. We got some ideas package, but this is not a question for this. The main feature of this current season will be ages. We will check how it works. If it will not work as we expected, we maybe will not include it in the season 2. And maybe we will think about different mechanics for different seasons. And as you should understand, we got after the release and okay, month or two some fixes. We will have enough time to think and build new season. So after the season end, even during the season, you will know something about upcoming new season. We don't promise that season 2 launch the day after season 1 ends. Okay, don't be too optimistic. But yes, we will start to do everything for the next season during the old season. We hope that our most of our technical problems with the launch was solved, and moving to Arden was solved. We will check everything on season 1, and each next season I hope should go smoother and smoother with all this with maybe some old features or without them. We will add something new, that's for sure, but we will think how it goes. And this is our let's say sort of experiments also to make players more enjoyable in Life is Feudal.
Thank you. There is another question about the green zone mechanics from Paul Schuler. Would you consider that you can't plant all crops on all regions, but maybe go back to the regional stuff you need for the buildings?
Sorry.
Let's wait for her second message. I think she will clarify it.
Yeah, if you can, please. Okay.
In the meantime, we can answer the question from Vec. Yes, actual green zone is it's kind of small, but it will as it is now designed for the private claims, it will stay as it is. But the actual red zone from Arden will be converted into the green zone for the claims. At least some of the servers.
I see a comment about regions shown on the map are still incorrect. I believe it is netherworks, is it not? One of the bugs which is in the works. So,
it is maybe question about the overlay on the map with showing wrong regional resources.
Okay. Okay, we see then information from Fubogo in the DMs.
Yeah.
So my question, a question from Drogo: are there going to be introduced new objects like brass weapons or something like this?
Oh, sorry. Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, sure. Will there be introduced new object like brass weapons and something like this?
The objects, yeah.
But not the brass weapons. I mean, about the weapons, how we are gonna limit it by the ages. We want to work on the thing we already have. It's about the quality. So we have a cap of the quality, as you know, at 60, 80, and 100, and we are to for this season we want to work around this. So it won't be only limited by type of the weapons, but also by quality of the weapons.
And about different objects, we introduced already some new polls, some new objects in the game. We got something to show you in the nearest future. It's more about cosmetic changes, but yeah, let's just wait. Oh, and about Unreal Engine, yeah.
I have one topic about the objects. I think I can leak it, and we are actually working on the skins for the buildings. This is the thing that some of the ask of you asked before. Yeah, we will have the skins for the buildings.
Skins for the buildings. You spoiled it. Okay. Okay, and about Unreal Engine, I've talked about it in last unofficial AMA session. That was spontaneous. Our AMA session. We've got these technical demo. We tried to do this, and but it will cost us too much to move everything, to move the game on old engine. But also you need to know that it is not it will not solve a lot of problems the game got. Maybe some of you think that Unreal Engine and this move should fix everything, but the move as we planned was about moving only client side. to Unreal Engine to get new graphics. You could see how it works on Oblivion remastered The Elder Scrolls. They did the same as we wanted, and the technical demo we got, it is the same. We got old engine inside, but everything will be better with all these Unreal Engine features. But all your questions about package losses, about systems, everything will be the same. So we still got this option, but it is not priority right now. As I told before, we decided to focus on maintaining the only project. It will be hard to name us as a publisher. We are more closely to development team right now than publisher. So we need to balance everything inside after our restructurization and go through our plans with current system. So Unreal Engine is not priority, and there is no any moves around it. We got technical demo. We got some proofs that it is possible, but for now it is no way for that. Purity skin for buildings. It is not. Our developers are not so talented to model new buildings. So
I mean that depends for
we
each
got
team. For the modeling team, they are priority.
yeah. Modeling team. They got their own tasks. We got our own. So we are just not separated, but yeah, it is just a different flows.
Yeah, and actually that is a really good point, because a lot of times when we announce something in a community, like our transition to Epic Games Store or our transition to Steam, players believe that it is the only thing that the team does. But actually, team is not a one monolith structure. We have departments, and each department is prioritizing their own thing. So if we say that, for example, for the modeling department, the priority is new skins, as it should be, it doesn't mean that it is our only priority. It means that other development departments are focused on other things like fixing bugs or improving lag comp and so on and so forth. Okay, I don't see any particularly new questions in chat. Let's give it an extra 5 minutes to finish like our almost 2-hour stream. Thank you all to participating. We were really happy to have you today. You still have some time to ask your questions if you have any in chat. And yeah, speaking about the future, we touched upon the fact that we have some content prepared for the future. And one of the formats we want to explore is actually reviewing your suggestions, because this is something we really enjoy looking into. Maybe we cannot interact as frequently as we wanted to, but yeah, Evgeny,
It is not. It is not. It is not enjoyable in most cases. But yeah, to be honest, we understand you and your feelings. So I had I have to say that with the last announcement about vibes, we know that such it actually was not announcement. That was a thrown idea. So what we plan, but it just fires too fast. Yeah. So yeah, we got some communicational issues, but I hope yeah we'll need a banner office. I don't know, maybe on a don't tell about vibes just to don't lose all the population. We will learn this lesson. And one more time, you still got at least few months to play at Arden without any problems. And there will be no vibes in green zone, so you can return and play there safely without restrictions, limits, and so on. Yeah, so we maybe not all, but most of your comments. It is not. It is helpful. Okay, not enjoyable, but helpful. And yeah, we know about drain. Yeah.
I mean, guys, we are aware that the season system idea, not all of you like it, but we had to pick the way in which the game will go. We cannot go multiple ways. It's just not possible. Every one of you have his own point of view how this game should be, how it should be developed, how it should be reworked, and everything. We decided to go this seasonal way, and we hope that it will make this game alive again, and it will bring only good aspects back to this game.
Yes, it actually it was a question on previous AMA session about groups of players. So we got and we by this decision we know that we are spreading our population in different worlds, but yes, we got so different players types in the game that and we tried as beatbox before tried to make everyone together in peace or not in peace, I don't know, at least live together, and it doesn't work. So yes, these seasons will be about separating different group players between each other with different rules, but this way that kind of your own but MMO version, it will help us to save and get as much players as the game deserves. Life
It
is
is
Feudal
just
is
yeah, sorry.
yeah, Life is Feudal is a niche game. Yeah, we know, but we do like it, and it is not very easy to work on it on this project. But we want to save this for as much players as we could, and maybe we could also find new players. Uh, it we got everything to do it actually. We but we need to work on it, and we are very thankful to you that you still believe in us. Or I don't know. At least we got 50 players who joined this team, and yeah, we are happy to work with you and for you.
And I wanted to add it that in the community we have players who are having like a completely different gameplay. They want to enjoy. Some of them wants like a persistent world without wipe just to build. Some of them wants like a dynamic world when everything is happening really fast. And as Zhenya said, it is not possible to connect everything into one word. So we have to split it. But I want all of you to know that there is a lot of like an internal discussion inside the team, which game which way we should go, what will be the best for the game. And it is not decided only by one person. It is coming with the pros and cons. We are like constantly discussing what will be the best for this project.
Yes, it is. We got a lot of discussions inside. Sometimes we asked community to help us to when we got um, different ways to choose. Yeah, sometimes we just need more opinions to choose from. Yeah, so it is constantly work. It is not easy. Maybe you think that creating games is very fun. It is not very fun in most cases. But yeah, we will and we will try to do the best game that we could do. Yeah.
Especially when you have the people in the team that with completely different mindsets. One of them likes to build, one of them likes to fight.
Yeah.
Well, but that's the beauty of Leaf. It caters to different playstyles, and everybody can find something they enjoy doing in Leaf, whether it is building, fighting, or somewhere in between. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for today's session. Thank you, our dear audience, for sticking with us for around 2 hours. Actually, it's quite some time. We will be publishing a brief script of today's session, so that those who didn't have the opportunity to participate will have a chance to see what we were talking about today. It doesn't stop with today's summer. If you still have some questions you would like to ask, I invite you to leave them in the Q&A which is currently up on Discord or in our dev post about the seasons. And we will see you. Yeah, we will see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
See you.